call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
Alright y'all, welcome back. So I wanted to hop on here and get y'all's opinion about something. If you don't know, now you know. We're doing our deck, and we decided to go with composite so we don't have to worry about painting it every other year. And these are our options. We're going with the Trex brand, and it's from least expensive to most expensive. However, I don't really want to go with the least expensive, and this one is like a black, so it's probably gonna get hot. I do like the texture of some of these, like the black, like the textured look looks cool, but yeah, it's too dark. And these are cool. These are like on the higher end. These are okay. So those two are the cheapest. These two are like the next, and then these two. And then you got this one up here, which has some. This one is the best. It's what's it called? Lineage, and it will never fade. Like these, you might have some fading, and this one has like some built-in cooling technology. I wish it had like a grain kind of look, you know, some texture to it, but it doesn't. But it will stay cool. So that's probably what we're gonna go with. But what do y'all think, huh? Here's the options. Again, that's way too dark. Yeah. So we're probably going to start that soon, and we're going to start the fence. Plus, I'm going to go get a tree. I don't care. We're going to plant another tree. Yay! But we're leaning towards this one. So vote below. Let's say this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Number 6, and lucky number 7 probably. Alright, so there you go. Let me know. See you later. Bye-bye.
Be the fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never